Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a product that I think is going to solve a problem that many drone pilots have, and that is regarding our propellers being just flipping, all over the place when you throw this thing into a bag. And if you know, like I know, it doesn't take a lot to damage one of these propellers. So whether it's the ones that are stored underneath or on top of the drone, they just kind of flip all over the place. You guys can see how these are just kind of flip-flopping, pretty much wherever they want to go. So I found this product recently. Now this is a little harness that allows you to lock your propellers in place. It has a plastic base that's going to lock onto your drone, and then this rubberized material here will fit over the top. So let me show you guys how you apply this. So you would just take your drone and you can kind of position the propellers wherever you want them. And then you're going to take this component right here. You guys see we have these nice little cutouts right here. And then those just kind of lock in like so over these little landing little nubs right here, and they're going to lock also over the back legs. And then at that point, now you see these no longer can move freely, which is really nice. And then what you'll be able to do is to flip this over, line up your front propellers, and then pull this over and then clip this on like so. Now you'll feel more confident putting your drone in a bag. Everything is locked down really nice. You don't have to worry about your propellers getting damaged. Yeah, I like this product a lot. So this is something that I will be using going forward every single day on this DJI Air 3S and any of my other drones in my fleet. So hopefully that solved a problem for some of you guys out there that had similar issues with your propellers flipping all over the place. Definitely take a look at this product. I think it's going to be a big help. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.